If you don't have time to consistently water your garden or the money to install an irrigation system, consider using a soaker hose. Through tiny holes along its length, a soaker hose constantly feeds water into your soil, penetrating to the roots of your plants, where they need water most. Soaker hoses work great for plants that don't like wet leaves, like tomatoes, peppers and eggplant, points out Barbara Gillette, a master gardener and a member of the Gardening and Plant Care Review Board. They also can save you a lot of time watering foundation plantings of shrubs and ornamental trees. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review Present. Top 5 Best Soaker Hoses. Let's get started. Number 5. H2O Works Garden Flat Soaker Hose. If you are searching for a soaker hoses, the H2O Works Garden Flat Soaker Hose review on our list is ideal for you. When we tested the H2O Works Garden Flat Soaker Hose in our Des Moines lab, it felt like watching a cool science experiment, seeing the water condense on the outside of the hose. Our tester marveled. But we rate this product our best overall for a more intrinsic reason. We noted the water began to condensate quickly. The hose itself is extremely lightweight and easy to maneuver, and after we dragged the hose through rocks and a rake, it held up in perfect condition. The manufacturer claims that its PVC material distributes water that permeates soil more evenly than hoses made of recycled rubber. Plus, its strength doesn't translate into added weight, as the 50-foot-long product came in at less than 4 pounds. Number 4. Water Hoop Portable Water Sprinkler. This soaker has been reimagined in the best way possible, making it our top overall choice. It's not exactly a hose, but this hoop system makes it easy to water flower beds, trees, shrubs, and just about any other garden area you need, including large pots. It's made in the United States from durable rubber. This option is really lightweight and easy to store. It's available in 2 different sizes, 60 inches and 80 inches. It has a water flow system that you can set from a 0 to a 5 based on gallons per minute, so you can really make it work for your garden's needs. Connect it to any regular hose, and then you're good to go. Number 3. Linex Garden Soaker Hose. The next product we have got on our list is the Linex Garden Soaker Hose. This hose is one of the most sturdy on the market. Yet, it's also easy to store because it goes flat when not in use. It's set up to leak water around 2 gallons every 2 minutes, making it a great fit for most backyard gardens. You can thread this hose under leaves or place it out in the hot sun. Either way, it'll definitely stand up to the elements. It's 25 feet long, and you can easily add a connector to add more length. Number 2. Rocky Mountain Goods Flat Soaker Hose. More than 2845 5-star reviews praise the Rocky Mountain Goods Flat Soaker Hose for its portability. This hose is both a heavy-duty and a space-saving soaker. It's made from a perforated PVC liner and is coated with extra-strength fabric. It's available in 25, 50, and 75-foot options at an affordable price. This company really stands behind its products and offers a lifetime warranty. If you need to save space and still want a hose that will hold up season after season, this is the one for you. Number 1. Gilmore Flat Weeper Soaker Hose. This weeper hose is a great option for those on a budget. If you're curious about the difference between a soaker and a weeper, they are very similar. A weeper has a technique where it weeps water from many tiny perforations throughout the fabric, whereas a soaker can be a little more like a sprinkler with its water flow. You control the amount of water that goes through at any given time. Test it out as you go to find the right strength for your garden, which will probably vary from one area to the next. This weeper hose is available in 25, 50, and 75-foot lengths and weighs less than a pound, considerably less than a conventional rubber garden hose. Its flat design means it can be rolled up into a compact shape for storage. However, note that it may not work properly if it gets a kink, so it may not be the best choice if you have a layout that will require the hose to sit at sharp angles.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.